Basically, affiliate marketing depends upon your website, because visitors are first seeing our web page, and after that only they believe our service or whatever we promote on that particular web page. Then after that they will decide to purchase that particular service or offer what we are promoting them. So we need a website. That's very important. That's actually a first step in affiliate marketing. We can create our website in two different ways. The one is using WordPress, and another one is we can create a sales funnel. For a normal WordPress is a self-hosted, but we need to do everything because we need to install the WordPress. However, the WordPress is open source, but we need to install the WordPress in our hosting account, and we need to care about the servers issues and the speed and security issues. Everything we need to care about that. But the managed WordPress hosting gives you all the advantages inbuilt within a single package. So we don't worry about the security issues or any other server related issues. So we can concentrate on our affiliate marketing works only. So the WP Engine is a topmost, and it's a world's #1 platform. It's a self-managed hosting platform. So you can, if you have any questions or if you have any support inquiries, you can just contact the customer support. They will rectify all immediately. The second one, I suggest you to use ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is a different than the managed WordPress website, because a ClickFunnels we can create a beautiful sales funnels in matter of minutes. But in WordPress we need to create every page and we need to combine all of them in a link sequence. But in affiliate marketing we do just one or two web pages only. So we can create those sales funnels easily in ClickFunnels, because ClickFunnels saves our time, because it's better than WordPress, because we can create the sales funnels easily in ClickFunnels by drag and drop tools. ClickFunnels landing pages works best in the paid ads, and also there is a large supportive community available in ClickFunnels, so you can contact them if you have any questions or any support related issues, so you can get the answers immediately. If you want to do and spend your time only in affiliate marketing, you can consider the ClickFunnels. But if you want to spend your time and if you are already know little bit about the technical and coding knowledge, you can consider about WordPress. But these two platforms are very best to use your affiliate marketing website. Thank you for watching.